Hi everybody, my name is Hamed Gholamrazai from Uri Architecture Academy. In this session, we will talk about ambient lighting in SketchUp. In this session, we use the Thea rendering engine, which is installed as a plugin. First, we enter the environment section and choose lighting by the sun and the sky. Then, using the shadow tool in SketchUp, and we define the time of day in 24 hours. It means that our lighting is during the day, night, noon, evening or sunset, and we determine the angle of the sun. So, we can even choose the desired season, what kind of mood our final image will have, be it summer or winter or spring or autumn, and even we can consider the exact months, year, hour and even minute for the final image. Lighting completely depends on your taste in the environment. So lighting completely depends on your taste in the environment section. We can enable and disable the sun and sky, and the default settings are fine for this part. To make the scene brighter, we can use the parameters of the real camera from the display section, like if number or ISO or shutter speed. Increase the ISO makes the camera lens more sensitive to light, and the scene becomes brighter. But the amount of noise in the final image also increase. So increase the ISO makes the camera lens more sensitive to light and scene brighter, okay, but the amount of noise in the final image also increases. Decreasing the f number causes the aperture to open more, and as a result the final image become brighter. And decrease the f number causes the aperture to open more. And as a result the final image become brighter because aperture to open more. Also, opening or closing the camera aperture affect the depth of field value of the final image. Increase the number of shutter speed in real cameras makes the recording of the image longer, and this increased brightness in the final image. So we increase number of shutter speed in real cameras makes the recording of the image longer, and they increase the brightness in the final image. For the final image, I choose the morning lighting and choose the oblique angle of the sun. We should also use artificial lights for night lights.